Hey, it's me again. I'm back. I just coming in here for just a little quick short video, and then I'm going to do a share screen off my computer on Zoom. But I wanted to bring you guys up to speed on a few sales that you may or may not know of yet. Okay, so always keep in mind that I don't find anything out any faster than any of you guys do if you're on your email. I just was realizing, like, for today's Tonic, the Tonic Weekender sale has already gone live. It, for us here in the United States, it goes live on Thursdays instead of Fridays because it's already Friday in the UK, give or take. So I wanted to show you what's going on there. Plus, a couple other sale things that I thought were interesting. You guys might find interesting. So know that I do this just because I like to share the madness, and just on the offhand chance you might not have had a chance to check your email or might not be on that particular email list. So I don't think I'm all that and a bag of chips. But I love to share these little tidbits because on several of these I did jump on and take advantage of the sale. So I thought if I was interested and I wanted it, you might want it too. So just give me a moment. I'm going to flip over to the computer screen and then I'll show you what's going on out there, at least today, tomorrow. One thing I'm going to say that one of these sales I'm going to show you is the one at Expo, Scrapbook Expo, has a 25% off the individual kits from prior mega make and takes. So I actually did pick up two of the kits, but they're 25% off their price on many of them. It's not just the kit itself, but it's the kit and, like, for example, the stamps that go with the kit to create more cards. So I think in many of these instances, it's well worth the price. But your opinion might be different than mine, and you're gonna think, why are you wasting my time? I don't know, but I did want to share these with you guys. Okay, if this is not your cup of tea, then this is the moment you hit and nice and go on to the next YouTube that you might wipe better. Okay, but let me now take you over to my computer screen. Okay, I'll be right there.
Okay, I am back and I wanted to bring to you the sales here that I was talking about. So I'm starting off with Tonic's Weekend Saver Bundles. So it's kicked off today. Yes, it's Thursday. It's not supposed to start till Friday, but we get the advantage because it's already Friday in Britain, apparently. So I just wanted to give you the heads up that this was going on. I've already taken a peek at it. I'm getting the paper. And of course, as I said, I didn't need more paper, but I'm going to get the paper because it's spring colors and I don't have as much as that. But just if anybody's interested, there's the Aqua Shimmer bundle. I mean, there's more sequins in case you, on the offhand chance you don't have enough sequins. I might have to take a look at that, to be perfectly honest, because I don't have spring colored. Although, let me take it back. I've got those 3 bags of sequins I picked up at Hobby Lobby. So yeah, let me not look at that. It's not like I need more stuff. Their Mica Mists are there, the new bundles. But what I am going to probably pick up is both the paper bundles, the pearlescent, but I'm going to put it up against my inventory because I can look at it. I think that I'm going to do the quick look. Yes, it lists me the color, so I can very quickly write these down and go, flipping through my paper to show which one to compare if I've already got them, 1 or 2. I mean, if I have 2, yeah, then no. But some of them either I probably don't have or I may only have 1. So I don't know. We're gonna see. I'm planning on getting it. Let's see if I do get it because it depends on what I've got. But I know I'm pretty sure I don't have a lot of the spring colors in the regular cardstock. So we'll see. But I did want to give you guys a heads up. It's good for the weekend. I don't know what the sellout factor is going to be. It's a good price for the paper. I'm just giving you the heads up because I'm a Tonic fan. So I want to share my madness with you guys. All right. Next, I just want to give you a heads up for the Expo, Scrapbook Expo. They're having a 25% off sale on the individual project kits. So when they've done their mega make and takes, they've also taken to also offering the kits individually because you don't want to buy the whole thing. So right now those kits are 25% off. So I've already ordered it earlier today. The sale goes on until tomorrow. I am sorry, I was not paying attention to my emails and I almost didn't catch it myself. So it's ongoing now. It ends tomorrow, March 5th. Though 2 I picked up, I went ahead and picked up the Riley and Company, this guy, because for $15 you get the kit and you get the Riley. Let me stop it because that'll make you dizzy. So this is what you get. So you get them, the little guys all cut out, and you get the stamps to dress them up. So and when I looked at that, I'm wondering for some of these like that kilt. Tell me that you couldn't put that kilt on the Tim Holtz, the one of the crazy cats, or the Tam O'Shanter. So I am already thinking and have it holding the mug of beer with that crazy hat. That's what I'm thinking are my snarky cats. So we will see, but that's the main reason I'm getting it for those little guys right there. So I mean for again for 14.99 minus the 25% off, I think it was well worth it. The other one I picked up, let me back up here a second, is going to be, and this one's really cute, guys. Let me just show it to you. This is Stamp Anything, and theirs again is also for. So let me take it back. It is the 14.99, not the price I said before. So it is 14.99 in the Riley. It's the same, but you'll see this. I know it's going to make us dizzy, so let me stop it. There we go. Hopefully, let me show. So it comes with the kit, comes with the card. It comes with both these stamps. So think about it. For 15 bucks, you get 2 slimline stamps. So if you're a colorist and or you are a fan of Stamp Anything, this is one to get. I think it's really cute. I did not get it because I honestly didn't think I was going to do it. And why hoard one more thing? So I opted for self-restraint, crazy as that may sound from a mad woman like me. But if anybody watching is a Stamp Anything fan or Slimline, it is really cute. If I flip it, that's what it's going to look like. So that's how it colors up. It's really cute. It really is. I love Stamp Anything stamps. But just if you're interested in, then this is on sale until tomorrow. The other kit that I did, and you've got a couple of things. I mean, we've got a Quick Quotes Moments album, and that's going to be $14.99. A Caterpillar, also a trifold there. A Craft All Day sign for $7.50 from Scrap That. So let's open and take a peek at that. So that's what you're going to get, that and the goodies to make it. Excuse me. So that's really cute. So for $7.50, hello, that I think that's a good price. But let me get back down to where am I? Where is the one I'm getting? Hello. Oh, here it is. I'm so sorry. I scrolled right by it because I'm a dingaling. I went ahead and picked up this. It's a 2-page, 12 by 12, 2 pages for $7.50. And if you link, and I'll show you this. So this is what I'm getting, and I ordered it because it's just so pretty. And yes, we're March, and no, it's not cold, but it will be cold again, and it was cold, and we'll be out and about. And eventually, I'll have pictures to put it. And I love Stamperia or Stamperia or however you pronounce it. I love their paper, and it's blue. And there you go. I just had to have it, and I have no other explanation. So I went ahead and ordered that. But that's, I believe, what comes in the kit you're getting. I hope. And if not, even if it's just enough to make I'm okay with that. But you can also here, if you click down here, I'm not going to take you now because it'll flip me to another page. But for each of these kits, you can click on the Mega Make and Take playlist and find the video that's the tutorial for the kit, so that you can then watch the class and make it up. So you're not left here going like, okay, so now what do I do? So I think it's great. So I just want to let you guys know about that. And on all of these, I will link you down below if you want to go and click on it. The next sale is the Stamp Doctor. I really like her. Michelle is just cool beans, but she's having another super sale. And I did not alert you to this the last time because I'm a horrible human being. I just teased you with what I got. Well, she's doing it again. And she has these super awesome dies. So she's got them on sale. So, I mean, it's not like, oh my gosh, but it's a great deal. So $18.75 for all of those nesting dies. And she's got them both in both sizes. So for the circles, as well as the rectangles are $12.50. Your squares are $12.50. And I believe, yep, she's got both the square dies, the cutouts. I picked these up. I think I'm going to go back in and pick up the stitched so that I can do stitched squares too, because for $12.54, let's try to count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, either 19 or 20 or 17, somewhere in that range, dies for $12.50. That's not even $1 a piece. Where else are you going to do it cheaper? And of course, and then the stitch circles. I've already got the squares from her last sale. I picked up all of these already. Now all I need are the stitch insides so that I can do stitched circle or square in any size I want. But she has a ton of other dies. So I don't know how long this sale lasts, so I will just let you, I will post it. And I want to get these to the hearts because you can never have enough hearts. So I will save, get it and save it for next year for Valentine's or whenever I need to do a heart. So anyway, there are lots of goodies there. So go through and go crazy like I do, because why should I be the only one that's broke, right? And last but not least, almost not last, there's one more after this. It is Elizabeth Pratt is having a sale too. And I just got the email, I believe today. I could be wrong, but I just paid attention to it. And she'd been having some sales and I've been kind of like not been ignoring it. But then it said spring. So I'm like, it got my attention. So I went in, and so she's got dyes. So her spring Easter dyes are already on sale. And I mean, like sale, like. So I'm sure they're older ones, and I'm sure she's coming out with new cool stuff that I'm not going to go look at because I've spent enough. Um, but you've got the bunnies. So and this one, I'm going to try to get you open up a sample. But you got bunny guy with that comes with all of these little pieces for $5.95. And the little chick, let me open up the little chick, because the little chick shows you the card samples. So it's the little chick. Let me see, there we go. So you can combine bunny guy, and look how cute that is. And I know I have a die that does grass. Sorry, that makes it. And look at that. That is, I know it's gonna, I hate doing that. Let me see if there we go. So you take that, that's almost like a cloud die. I swear you could use a cloud die and put bushes behind it. I'm like, what a clever idea. And then turn around and use it to make, look, clouds. Oh, amazing. But it's so cute. So I confess, I picked up the bunny, I picked up the chick, I picked up the egg, because now I know, for one, I needed an egg die, an egg shaped die, but now I know that it's pretty much going to be, I think, because it's the large one, it's going to be the same situation as that heart I got that's ginormous. And I'm like, yay, it will give me hopefully the cutout. Let me see let's look at it. If we look at it, yep, it's 2 dies. So there you go. I've got my big cutout if I want to do a shaker, and then it's got the inside piece too that cuts the filigree. So that was a no-brainer for me. I definitely picked that one up, and then I picked up the small one too, because it's very cute and it has a little bow. So I'm like, so I picked up those. So those will be coming. You'll be seeing them hopefully maybe in the next week or so. I'll be, showing them off. So I did get those. And then last but not least, I caught this on YouTube today. Scrapbook.com is having a flash sale. So you can look it up, watch the video on YouTube. I'll link you to the YouTube video because I have it here so that I could get the link to the webpage. But they put out a new pad of smooth cardstock, and it's 2 pads. It's a Brights bundle. It's a pad of A2 and then a pad of Slimline, 40 sheet pads of each for $9.99. And it's in rainbow colors, so it was like really, really springy. And they basically had me at $9.99. I figured, what have I got to lose? So, and then if you watch the YouTube, they'll also be able to link you down below to 3 other designers that did things with the paper. So, and one of them is Ryan Swift from Glitter Grunge Creations. I highly recommend you guys like anything that's a combination of, Ryan is kind of like Tim Holtz met glitter. Oh my gosh, he does great, just really shiny, pretty stuff. So I will link you to his YouTube video. Go give him a peek. I wish I had 1/10. I wish I had the pinky of talent that he does. But here are some of the cards that are done with the paper. So, I mean, go ahead and take a peek, and I will link you here. I will, when I saw it, I really quickly jumped on it just because I didn't want to find myself being sad that I didn't get it. But look at that ice cream cone. Isn't that stinking adorable? So I just wanted to give you that. So that's right now all I have for you. This is just a quickie. Hey, look what's on sale. Again, it's not like I think I'm the end all be all. It's not like I have the inside track on any of this. I do not. It's just me obsessively checking. Today I'm on top of my email and catching my YouTube notifications, so it tells me about these stuff. And I just wanted to share it with you. So take it for what it's worth, guys. It's like I said again. I do not think I'm all that in a bag of chips, but I want to share the madness. And again, as I said, why should I be the only one that's broke, right? So if you love this, God, by all means, think, and say, yay, Mara, thank you for tipping me off to this, and leave me a thumbs up, drop me a comment. If you hate me and your husbands hate me, then, feel free to leave me a thumbs down and say, please, will you stop doing this? Okay, I'm all right with that. But if you want to see more of this, I will always keep you. I'll try as best I can to alert you to what I find out. I'm just a little mad scrapbooker. So I find out about things about the same time you guys do. I don't have an inside track. I don't have any affiliate links, or, I'm not on any design teams or anything. I'm you guys. Okay. But by all means, if you want to see more, please, feel free to subscribe and ring the bell so you know when I come back on to show you more of my madness. Meanwhile, go out, create something beautiful, all right? And as always, we're all a little mad here, so scrap the madness, okay? I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.